Is it time to buy or sell FatPipe common stock? In this video, we're diving deep into FatPipe common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2025, our system has categorized FatPipe common stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and is currently reflecting a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system expects high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. This stock has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated. However, this may very well signal an early shift in trend. In response, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $6.04. A level that may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 33.6% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 68.59% and negative 54.9%. Our latest daily update for FatPipe Incorporated common stock includes the headline: Volatile ride for FatPipe Incorporated common stock price on Friday, moving between $6.60 and $10.77. The FatPipe Incorporated common stock price gained nearly 48% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, rising from $6.01 to $8.89. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by over 63%, reaching a low of $6.60 and a high of $10.77. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by over 51% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, coinciding with the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 11 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 11 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $97,094,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $23.27, while the lowest price was $5.39. Currently, the price is 61.80% or $14.38, below the 52-week high of $23.27, which is also the all-time high for the stock. FatPipe, trading under the ticker FATN, is gaining momentum. This summer, the company achieved its listing on NASDAQ, secured a spot in the Russell indexes, and reported a first-quarter fiscal year 2026 product revenue increase of 16.2%. Additionally, the company welcomed 174 new customers, indicating that demand is on the rise. The company has received product awards and analyst recognition, notably with its Total Security 360 win and high rankings for both product and support, which bolster its competitive stance. Strategic initiatives such as a VMware VeloCloud replacement program, new executive appointments, and a series of investor presentations demonstrate that management is utilizing the proceeds from the initial public offering to transform interest into sales. In the short term, these catalysts are expected to enhance visibility and increase trading volume. Inclusion in indexes and participation in conferences can stimulate interest from buyers and lead to occasional increases in share prices. In the longer term, victories with customers, endorsements of products, and a focused replacement program may support revenue growth and margin enhancement, assuming execution remains strong and customer turnover remains low. However, there are key risks that could limit potential upside, such as setbacks in execution, heightened competition, or a slowdown in enterprise information technology spending. Nonetheless, the current flow of news appears to be generally positive for FATN's valuation trajectory. Analysts have assigned FatPipe common stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for FatPipe common stock. The FatPipe Incorporated common stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average stands above the long-term average. In the event of market corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $6.59 and $6.22. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 55.96%. Continued growth is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal reflected in the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 65 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for FatPipe common stock. FatPipe Inc. common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $8.63, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.17 between its high and low, representing a change of 63.18%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 16.9%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for FatPipe common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio falls within a relatively normal range, typically observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for FatPipe common stock. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for FatPipe common stock is at $9.20. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, FatPipe common stock encounters its first support level at $8.63. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for FatPipe common stock from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 7th of April 2025, when Bhaskar Regula conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.50, reflecting a decline of 4.38%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is FatPipe Inc. common stock a good buy? FatPipe Inc. common stock presents several positive signals, yet these may not suffice to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it is recommended as a hold or accumulate option while awaiting further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold candidate since the last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we anticipate that FatPipe Inc. common stock will open lower by 137.10 and begin trading at $8.75. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.